Finally, a video with this bike. So in this video, we'll check out this bike from Guardian Gear. If you have a similar bike or maybe an R15 with this kind of pillion seat, that is a raised pillion seat height, then you know what the challenges are finding a suitable saddlebag for this bike because of its awkward height. So in this video, we'll check out how this bag from Guardian Gear is suitable for R15. More about this product in this video. Now, before exploring this product, let me show you how this is strapped onto the bike, and let's roll the video. Same on the other side, through here, and that's how it's fixed. So this is fixed to this footrest, and the same on the other side. Now, to give you an overview of this product, 1680D ballistic nylon fabric, reflective material from 3M, and straps and fittings, these are capable of withstanding up to 300 kgs of load. That's really crazy. UK standard approved zippers. These are inside out zippers. We'll check this out in a second. This bag is meant for sports bike. The reason being this claw type design that this has. So this perfectly fits the pillion seat. So if you are planning for a 10 to 15 days bike ride, this bag might be a perfect fit for you because this can withstand a lot of harsh abuse along the road. Now the pockets, two side pockets on these sides. See, that's a bit spacious. Same on the other side. Flap pocket on the top. Extra padding on this side for additional support for lower back if you are traveling for long rides. So this won't make you fatigued. So there's a foam padding on all sides, on 4 of these sides, and not at the bottom. And there's this, what can I say, long-lasting plastic bumpers on all 4 sides in case you happen to be in an accident. So this will protect it. That said, this fabric, this also will protect this bag from tearing down or from falling apart. This pocket, you can use it for keeping your papers of your bike. So just keep those in a polythene bag, I think, because this isn't waterproof. And if we check inside it, there's this mesh pocket. So you can put your toiletries in this pocket, anything that you need on the go. There's no pocket inside. Also, these additional straps, you can fix these in these loops. You can tie it with the bungee cords if you are planning to fix this bag on a rear mount. And there's this rain cover. This shoulder strap, it is detachable, so that's really great take from the company. You can easily fix it like this. Now if we try to put this on, this rain cover, just give me a second, let me figure out which side is which, and this should, yeah, of course this is of synthetic poly something kind of quality. There won't be an issue of water damaging your equipment or anything that you carry in this bag. So that's how it fits. It's a bit floppy because there's nothing inside the bag at the moment. So once you have loaded the bag, this will perfectly fit the bag from all sides, and you can fix it on your bike. A nice touch of their branding here. All that said, what's the price? So it costs around 3,000 rupees. Sounds a bit expensive, right? But you know, the things that do have a bit of quality, they come at a price, no? So I think this bag is totally worth the price this is going for. Go for it because it's a really great product. Alright then guys, if you like this video, drop a like. If you wanna subscribe to this channel, then do subscribe, and just stay tuned for more videos like this on a few products. And if you have any suggestion for me for this channel, you can write that down in the comment section. Alright then, take care.